Well, today I'm going out for a short pedestrian mobile stroll with a view to testing two things. First of all, it's you might notice I've added a large battery. It's a 16 ampere hour lithium ferrophosphate battery, and the reason I put that on is I might want to have go QRO in the coming radar challenge, which is just over a week away. So I want to test that out. The other thing I want to test is how well this VIRB camera uploads. It's got new software in it. How well it uploads to YouTube without having the annoying crackle and pop that I had before. The old regular, I've seen pictures of this before with the ex-military whip, and coupled to that today would be the chest table with the Elecraft KX3. I'm going to walk in my own shadow now, but there's that. So that's fine. Well, before I set off, we're all geared up now, starting walking. Before I set off from the QTH this morning, I checked the bands and 20 seem to be dead. But there is something here, so we'll tune around and see what we've got. Thank you for the 5x9, oh man. You're 5x9 also, 5x9. Name is Tom. A microphone back to you. Oh, by the way, I'm mobile, but not in a vehicle. Using my legs and walking. Pedestrian mobile. Microphone back to you, oh man. From Golf Zero, Sierra Bravo Whiskey, pedestrian mobile, QRP.
Roger, Golf Zero, Sierra Bravo Whiskey. 5x9, 73.
73. Golf Zero, Sierra Bravo Whiskey Mobile.
Italia quinto 2, testa papa, fa chiamata per il 90° Ari, QRZ.
Golf Zero, Sierra Bravo Whiskey Mobile.
Please, mobile, repeat again, slow.
Yes, this is Germany 0, Sierra Bravo Whiskey Mobile. Golf Zero, Sugar, Boston, Washington, Mobile. You're 5 and 9, oh man.
Negative copy, sorry, radar in this moment.
Golf Zero, Sierra Bravo Whiskey. Golf Zero, Sierra Bravo Whiskey.
Golf Zero, Sierra Bravo Whiskey, Mobile, QSL.
QSL. Nothing heard. CQ. Golf Zero, Sierra Bravo Whiskey, calling CQ. CQ. Golf Zero, Sierra Bravo Whiskey, calling CQ. CQ. Golf Zero, Sierra Bravo Whiskey, calling CQ, standing by.
Queen 7, Lima Radio Tango, Sugar Queen 7, Lima Radio Tango, calling and standing by.
Golf Zero, Sierra Bravo Whiskey Mobile. Golf Zero, Sierra Bravo Whiskey Mobile.
Okay, Golf Zero, Sierra Bravo Whiskey, G0 SBW SQ7, Lima Radio Tango, good afternoon. Report is 5757. My name is Radek, like Radio Alpha Delta Echo Kilo. Golf Zero, Sugar Bravo Whiskey, Sugar Queen 7, Lima Radio Tango.
Yes, Sugar Queen 7, Lima Radio Tango. Yes, good afternoon, Radek. Name here is Tom, Tango Oscar Mike. Operating, I'm mobile, but not in a vehicle. I am using my legs and I am walking, transmitting whilst walking, Radek. So I'm pedestrian mobile, also QRP. So thank you for the 5x7. You're 5x7 also, Radek. Microphone back to you. Sierra Quebec 7, Lima Romeo Tango, Golf Zero, Sierra Bravo Whiskey, pedestrian mobile and QRP.
Okay, Golf Zero, Sugar Bravo Whiskey, QRP, Sugar Queen 7, Lima Radio Tango. Tom, many thanks for short, so 73, good luck.
Is this frequency in use, please? This frequency in use. This is Golf 0 Sierra Bravo Whiskey, inquiring if the frequency is in use. Nothing heard. CQ, 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 CQ. Golf 0 Sierra Bravo Whiskey, pedestrian mobile, QRP, calling CQ. CQ, 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 CQ. Golf 0 Sierra Bravo Whiskey, QRP, pedestrian mobile, calling CQ. CQ, CQ, CQ. Golf 0 Sierra Bravo Whiskey, mobile, QRP, calling CQ, standing by.
Alpha 1 Bravo X-ray mobile, Tango Alpha 1 Bravo X-ray mobile, CQ, Tango Alpha 1 Bravo X-ray, QRZ.
Golf 0 Sierra Bravo Whiskey, mobile.
QRZ.
Golf 0 Sierra Bravo Whiskey, mobile.
Mobile station again.
Germany 0 Sugar Boston Washington, Golf 0 Sierra Bravo Whiskey, QSL.
Golf 0 Sugar Sierra Whiskey, Golf 0 Sugar Sierra Sugar Whiskey again.
Sugar Bravo Whiskey, Sugar Bravo Whiskey, small bottle of whiskey, QSL.
5 is QSP, QSL.
Yeah, this is the Golf 0 Sierra Bravo Whiskey mobile, but not in a vehicle. I am not in a vehicle. Using my legs and walking. Using my legs and walking. Also QRP. So microphone back to you. Tango Alpha 1 Bravo X-ray mobile, Golf 0 Sierra Bravo Whiskey, walking mobile and QRP.
Roger, thank you. My name is Burhan, Bravo United Radio, Hotel Alpha November. My QTH is Istanbul. My QTH is Black City near Holiday Beach, Inada, Kwesal.
Yeah, fine. Got that on the Holiday Beach there, Burhan. My name is Tom, Tango Oscar Mike. I am walking, transmitting as I am walking, using my legs, and also QRP. Helicraft KX3 with 10 watts, 10 whiskey, and a 4-meter whip antenna fastened to my backpack. Microphone back to you there, Burhan. I'll give you a signal report on the next over. Tango Alpha 1 Bravo X-ray mobile, Golf 0 Sierra Bravo Whiskey mobile.
Golf 0 Sugar Sierra Sugar Bravo Whiskey. This is Tango Alpha 1 Bravo X-ray. Thank you very much, info. My information QRZ.com. 73, good luck.
73, Italy, Quebec to Charlie Juliet, QRZ.
Golf 0 Sierra Bravo Whiskey mobile.
Station mobile?
Yes, Germany 0 Sierra Bravo Whiskey mobile. You're 5 and 9, oh man, 5 and 9. Name is Tom.
The reference Lima 90 Alpha Radio India 14, Roger.
Roger, Lima 90 Alpha Radio India 14. 73, good luck. Okay, approaching the car park. On the bench there where I'm going to disrobe, you might say. Take the gear off and then go home and get on for Morse practice tonight. Okay, closing down.